Texting. Of late, I have noticed that I keep bumping into people, often people who are complete strangers and likely to remain so, or rather, they keep bumping into me literally. At first, I thought it might be the power of my magnetic personality that was causing all these people to come into collision course with me. But then I realized that it was not the power of my magnetic personality, but the power of the magnetic personality of their mobile phones that was making people oblivious of where they were going and whom they were going to come into full bodily contact with as a result. It's not just that people talk on their mobile phones all the time. It is that they keep texting all the time, sending SMS to all and sundry. When people talk on their mobiles, at least they have some idea where they are headed. But when people text, eyes glued downwards on the keypad, both thumbs punching in the letters, they become mobile human missile liable to walk into anything or anyone in their path. People text all the time. It is part of cell phone etiquette, or so I am told. Even if you want to talk to someone on the phone, you first have to text that person because when you want to talk to the person, that person might not want to talk to you right then. So you text, are you free to talk? The result is that people are texting all the time. When they are walking on the street, when they are using any and all forms of public transport, when they are entering or exiting buildings. For all anyone knows, someone somewhere is even at this moment devising an app which will enable people to text even when they are asleep and which will prove particularly useful for somnambulists. Or perhaps nature will play a part and through the evolutionary process provide the human race with two sets of eyes, one set to use for testing and another set to see where they are going. Till then, mobile phones should feature a mandatory warning. Texting is injurious to the health of others you are likely to crash into. Thanks for listening. Now some word power. For all anyone knows, someone somewhere is even at this moment devising an app which will enable people to text even when they are asleep and which will prove particularly useful for somnambulists. SOMNAMBULST. Somnambulist means a sleepwalker, a person who walks around, eats, or performs other acts while asleep. Thank you very much.